Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am just going to fix a real quick summer romaine salad. I have some romaine lettuce that needs to be eaten, so the best thing I know to do is just make a real quick salad. I've got the lettuce, have a banana pepper, some little tomatoes. I'm going to put a few carrots in it. And I have a cucumber. Went to the store to just buy a regular cucumber, and this is the only thing they had, so we're going to use this cucumber. So it's real quick, real simple. Take whatever you've got. I just know that this needs to be used up. So what we're going to start off with first, all I'm going to do is cut up my lettuce. Just cut off the end of the lettuce. Head of the lettuce. This is really a quick, easy salad. Just put that in our bowl. Romaine lettuce is supposed to have a lot of protein in it. Got our lettuce cut up. And everything that I am doing is just going to be diced up. This is not going to be a lot to it. It's just something other to throw together for lunch today. Just put everything right on in the bowl. And we're going to open this lovely cucumber. I couldn't believe they didn't have any regular cucumbers. All they had were these English cucumbers. I actually got out my slicer and I was going to use it, and I just thought of it. It's already cut up. And my tomatoes, I'm just going to cut off the very end of them. I think I'll cut my tomatoes in half because I really don't have very many of them. And this will be eaten today. It's not like they're going to sit here for a couple of days. All my ingredients I usually wash before I put them in there, so they have been washed. And I'm just going to grate up just a very few carrots. And since I've just opened that bag, I am going to rinse them just a little bit. I like the ends of them cut off. I don't like those. And you know, anytime that you are having company, you can always do things real quick. I have this little bitty grater, and it's ideal for this stuff like this. we're just going to sprinkle the carrots on top of the lettuce and the cucumbers and tomato. I have a friend that her and her husband go to church where I do, and they're always bringing in different types of vegetables. And so the other day they brought in fresh onions. Let's just cut it up right quick. We're just going to cut up a couple of slices. And these are fresh out of the garden this year. They'll really be good. And this is just a summer romaine salad. Use whatever you got in the refrigerator. Of course, I did have to go buy a cucumber, but I usually have cucumbers, but I didn't this time. And we're just going to stir it all together. When you stir it together, if you see where you wish you had a little bit more of any one item, just add to it. This is not no measured out. You need a cup of this and you need a cup of that. All you need is what ingredients you've got. And today I am going to use some raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Anything that's vinaigrette goes good with romaine. So we're just going to put just a little bit on it. As I say, this is not a measured out thing. I've also got some Kobe Jack cheese. I'll sprinkle me a little bit of a Kobe Jack cheese on top of it. Romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, a little bit of onions, a little bit of carrots, and like I say, I use vinaigrette, raspberry vinaigrette dressing. If you don't like vinaigrette dressing, put your favorite type of dressing on it, but I happen to like this. And again, this is nothing but Kay and Tom around the house. I had some stuff in the refrigerator that needed to be fixed, so I've got my salad for lunch today and probably dinner tonight. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me, join my channel. I always like putting on little stuff like this. Have a very fantastic day and stay cool. Okay, now this is a romaine salad. It is your romaine lettuce chopped up. I have cucumber, banana pepper, a little bit of grated carrots in it, a little bit of chopped up onion, and I sprinkled it with, I put Kobe Jack cheese on this. You can use any cheese that you like. And today I'm using raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Just a summer salad, very tasty. Kay and Tom around the house. Come back to see me.